Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Read and Write to clean up a web page and then highlight certain vocabulary words and create a document, a Google document that has the vocabulary word that you highlighted, a picture definition, and a definition and notes. It's so cool. Okay, here we go. So here's just a website on the Oregon Trail. So a lot of good. This website's not bad, but there's a lot of hyperlinks here where kids get a little clicky and they want to start clicking on stuff and going to different websites. So we are going to clean this up. So your Read and Write lives here in your extensions little puzzle piece thing. So if you go down here, I have mine pinned. So where are you, Read and Write? There you are. So Read and Write looks like a little purple puzzle piece and I have it pinned. So I am just going to click it to turn it on. And this is where we get that wonderful toolbar. You can move the toolbar by just grabbing this little crosshair and moving it around. So what I want to do is I want to go to the clean or simplify page. So I'm going to click on this. It's going to open it up in a new tab, and it's going to just grab the text from that page. There's no hyperlinks anymore, so the kids don't have to leave this page, and here it is. You can change the color, so you can have it blue on yellow or yellow on blue, and I'm going to put it back to black and white. You can also change the font, and you can make it bigger or smaller. We can change it. We can change the paragraph style. So now I'm going to start highlighting different words. All right, so I have all of my items highlighted, and I'm going to go up here to this, kind of looks like a bulleted list here, and it's called a vocabulary list. So I'm going to click on this. It's going to say what vocabularies what highlighted words do you want to collect. So if for some reason you just wanted the blue ones, you could. I'm just going to keep all of them selected. I'm going to click OK. It's creating this document for us. And check it out. So we have vocabulary list. This is I'm going to close that down. Vocabulary list, Oregon Trail. So that's what it named it. You can change that, of course. It gives the word, gives the meaning, it gives a symbol, and then it has notes. And the notes part is blank. So we've got merchants, a business person engaged in retail trade. It has some pictures, missionaries, it has that, pioneers. I love the little picture dictionary, traders, and trappers. So isn't that sweet? I just think that's so cool. So that is just one little thing that Read and Write can do, but this is pretty amazing. So I encourage you to look at the links that I put in the tech tip for September 27th and click on all those links and learn more about it. They're having little webinars too. They're calling them webinars because they're real short. So this is how you use the simplified page and how you highlight the vocabulary words and create a vocabulary list. Very cool. All right, have a good day.